let us see each example one by one. Okay, so let us start with this example. We have a product class and we have one constructor, correct? Now you answer me what we have inside the class. So how many attributes we have?
Two attributes.
Two attributes, name and
Price.
price. What is a constructor here? Init is a constructor.
Init.
Init is a constructor. Then we have another member function.
Function name member, which
Applied
is apply
discount.
discount.
Applied discount is a member function. So inside this function we are calculating discount. Okay. Then
Okay.
how many objects we have created?
Two objects we have created.
Two objects.
P1,
Yes.
P2.
Two objects we have created and we have invoked
Both two objects.
apply discount function with two objects. Now
Yeah.
let me explain you what will happen internally. Okay.
Okay.
So inside the product class we have two variables, name and price, and one function apply discount. Okay, so inside the class product is my class, name, price, then what is the function we have? Apply
Discount.
Apply discount is a function, correct?
Yeah.
So we have two member variables and one member function, correct?
Yes.
So now we have created two objects, P1 and P2. So when you create an object, so internally the memory is created for two objects separately. Okay. So inside each object we have name and
Price.
price. So here also we have name and price, correct? So when we create two objects, let's say in the program we created two objects P1 and P2. So let us see first instruction. P1 is equal to product of laptop
Comma.
and price.
Price.
Okay. So now when this particular statement is executed, it automatically invokes the constructor, correct?
Yes.
Laptop is passed to name and 55,000 is passed to price,
Price.
correct? Then inside this what we have written, self dot name is equal to name, self dot price equal to price, correct?
Yes.
Then what is self? Self is
Self.
referring to current object. What is your current object? P1 is
P1.
a
Current
current
object.
object. So what it means is whatever value you are passing, that should be stored inside
The
P1.
P1.
So inside name laptop is stored, then inside price we have 55,000, correct?
Yeah.
Then we also created another object P2. Here also it will invoke the constructor, correct? Name and the price it will have. Then sorry, once we execute this statement, what will happen? Constructor is executed, correct?
Yes.
Then object P2 is created. Inside this object name and price are going to store. Okay, maybe you can consider it as a printer. Let us assume this is printer. Its price is 6,000. Okay, now after this statement is executed, constructor is invoked internally and the memory is created for P2, and the values are initialized or stored inside the object P2, right? So here name would be printer, correct?
Yeah.
And price is 6,000.
6,000.
So this is how internally the memory is created when you invoke an object. Okay, when you invoke or when you create any object, internally constructor is invoked and some initial values are stored inside the objects. So till now I hope you understood clearly what will happen. Okay,
Okay.
now after that, after creating the objects, I have invoked p1 dot apply discount of 5. Okay, now this function will invoke, this statement will invoke this function apply discount. Okay, what is self? Self is now referring to which object, p1 or p2?
P1.
P1. Okay,
Yeah.
what is a percent
Percent.
we are passing? 5
Percentage.
is the percent we are passing, right? So
Yes.
inside this function we have written one calculation. So what is this calculation? Self dot price.
Price.
Self dot price. So what is your self dot price? Self dot price means p1 dot price, correct?
Yes.
So what is the p1 dot price?
55,000.
55,000.
Mm.
Then minus,
Mm.
then again
55,000 into
55,000 into
into
what is the percent you have passed? 5 divided
500.
by 100. Okay, so this is what the calculation that is being done when you invoke p1 dot apply discount. Got it?
Yes.
After calculating this, it will return the result. Okay, then maybe you can print that here, print of this statement. So then coming to the next statement, so what will happen here? P2 dot apply discount. Again it will invoke the same function,
Yes.
correct? So what is self now?
P2 is self here.
P2 is self.
Yeah.
So here self dot price means how much?
6,000 P2's
6,000.
price.
So this is 6,000.
Mm.
Then here also it is
6,000.
6,000.
Yeah.
Then what is a discount you have passed?
Percent.
7 is the
7.
discount. So this is a calculation that will happen internally when we invoke p2 dot apply
P2.
discount. Okay.
Okay.
So I hope you understood this concept. What is an object and what will happen internally when we invoke any function? How the constructor is created? How the values are stored inside each object? Right.
Yeah.
Let me execute this. See, this is the first one is the price of a laptop after discount, correct?
Okay.
So actual price is 55,000. After discount, it is 52,250. Then printer price, actual price is 6,000. After discount, it is 5,580 rupees. Okay. I hope it is clear.
Yeah, okay, sure.
So now let me. I'll create one more object. Okay. Then now you tell me what will happen. Mouse, its price is 600. Okay.
Okay.
10% discount I would like to get. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so P3, whenever P3 object is created, what will happen internally? So it will create
We
a
will
memory for
create a
P3. P3 for P3 memory is created. Inside P3 also you have
price, name and
price and
price,
name and
two
price.
attributes.
Okay. Then in the constructor, while creating an object, we are passing two parameters, mouse and
Parameters. Price.
600. Okay.
Yeah.
So then constructor is
Allocating memory.
executed. It will allocate memory and it will store the initial values inside the
Values.
constructor. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what are the values we passed? Mouse and 600.
600.
So here
Name is mouse and its price is 600.
mouse is name is mouse and its price is
600.
600. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
Then
I invoked this function p3 dot apply discount. The same function is going to be executed, but this time self refers to p3 object.
P3
So
object.
it will go and get the values from object p3. Okay.
Okay.
Then sorry. Then it will calculate the discounted price.
Price.
So self dot price means 600
600.
minus
600
600
into
into
its percentage is 10.
10% divided by
Divided by
100.
100.
This is what the calculation that will happen internally. Okay.
Yeah.
So now let us run the complete code. This is what we got. Okay.
Yeah.
So till now it is clear. Correct.
Yes.
So now I am going to introduce another function. Define display self. I don't want to receive any parameters, but I would like to display the details of each product. What is the
Yeah.
product name? What is its price? What is the value you get after discount? Okay, those details I would like to get. Okay, so now first I want to display a name of a product name, then comma
Price.
self dot name. I should write self dot name, then only it will know what is the current object from which we are displaying the name. Okay,
Okay.
so first let me explain. Suppose if I write p1 dot display, so why every time I should write p1 dot display or p2 dot display? Because these are the object functions. Object functions. Okay, you should invoke these functions with the help of an object. Okay, so now you tell me what is the meaning of this one p1 dot display. If I write, what will
Um,
happen internally? It will invoke the display function. Okay,
with the P1 object.
with the
Here,
p1 object. So self
yeah,
refers to which
P1.
object? P1.
P1. Yeah.
Now self dot name.
Name.
So it goes to the memory. Then it will
Yeah.
see p1 is the object.
Object. Name is its attribute.
Name is laptop. So p1 dot name it will take.
Name.
So that is laptop.
Laptop.
p1 dot price, that is 55,000.
55%.
Okay. The same function if I invoke p2 dot display, then it will go to memory of
P2.
p2 object. Then p2 dot name, p2 dot price it will get. Okay.
Okay.
So first I'm displaying name, then I'll display price. Self dot price. Okay. So let us confine to these two things. Then if you want, you can extend it later. Okay. So first I I'll invoke the display function with the help of
Print.
print. I mean p1. Okay.
Yeah.
See output you got.
Name and
Name is
price.
laptop, price is
Price is 55,000.
55,000. Okay. Then if I invoke the same function with p2 dot display, okay, first product, this is second product p2, okay.
Okay. Spelling.
Spelling mistake. So second product you got printer and its price is 6,000. Okay. So
Okay.
in this example, what you need to understand is what will happen internally when we create an object, how the constructor is going to invoke. Okay. So what will happen or how the system interprets when we invoke any member function with the help of an object. Okay. If I write p1 dot display, how the system understands it should go and get the data from object p1, right? If I invoke p2 dot display, how it go and get the data from p2.
P2.
Okay. So for that, we have a mechanism or a keyword called self.
Cell.
In case of Java, you have this keyword, this dot. But in Python, we have self. Okay.
Okay.
So till now, I hope you understood the concept, how the objects are created and how they are invoked, how they are being used to invoke the classes and methods. Okay.
Okay.
I think it would be better to stop here. You go through